Good morning! So today is December 24th and we are packing to go to Miami. Okay, so I have my airport outfit ready, so I'm going to show you guys. So I know it looks really ugly right now, but I'm wearing an H&M zip up with like the sweater under it, but I'm actually wearing a really cute crop top. So I'm going to be just like taking this off at the airport and wear this and this and make it look more fashionable, and then my favorite sweatpants from H&M. So that's the look. But I'm also going to put on some jewelry because I just can't go anywhere without jewelry. So before I put on jewelry, I want to show you guys this jewelry. It's called Avena Birthstones, and they sent me a little ring. It's so cute. So it looks like this. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. I love it. And they have this little cute package. It comes with a little polishing cloth. But you guys have to see this, okay? The packaging is so pretty. Once you open this up, it has lights. Are you kidding me? And my birthday's in March, so I got the March birthstone. And I honestly cannot remember what it's called, but look how gorgeous this is. Oh my god, you guys. Ta-da! I wore it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. So yeah, I'll be wearing this to the airport too. Actually, my mom said this is too precious, so I should not be wearing it at the airport, but I'll wear it once I get to Miami, so yeah. So this trip was very last minute planned. We literally booked it last week because all of us wanted to go to the beach, and we just haven't had family vacation in a very long time. But we're going from the 24th to 26th, so that should be really fun. I'm very excited because I went MIA on YouTube for a few weeks because like I was so busy. So I need this break. Alright. I'll explain my other jewelries. You guys probably already know from my other videos, to be honest. But these are Ana Luisa jewelry. And this one, the top one is from somewhere my mom got me. It's like a diamond ring. And the bottom one is Swarovski, my boyfriend got me. This one is from my friend, but it's from Alibaba. And I'm wearing my watch. And I'm packing the ring. This is so cute.
When I'm going group 4 through the green lane, group 4 to the green lane, please.
Oh. Not me trying to get the blackberry. Where's mom? Where is she? Come here. Oh, big piece in a fall. Why is it so sudden? It's protected, so everything around it has been built up. We're here.
Safety is our business. Please help us help you.
Is it cheese? Yeah. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Thank you. What's that? Oh, fusilli. It's a shiitake mushroom fusilli pasta. These fries are amazing, you guys. I feel like we're in a different country. I was like, dog. Oh my gosh. The vibe of this place is literally immaculate. Right behind our restaurant, you guys. We're currently at the Miami Design District. Yo.
Baby?
Bruno.
He's a baby.
Just checking into a hotel. We kind of passed out after the Miami Design District, but yeah, this is our view. So I thought we had like a beach view, but it turns out we have a lake view, like a river view, and we have our pool over here. Alright guys, so we came down by the pool, and sadly I understand why no one's here because it is so freaking cold, but it is absolutely beautiful here. Wow, so pretty. Good morning, another day. So yesterday we just basically passed out, so we were all so tired and we really slept the entire night. But this morning we just woke up and we're just like eating some breakfast and getting ready. My outfit for today, it's super cute. Put on sunscreen so I'm super shiny. But I think our plan is to go biking and then I don't know what's after that, so we'll go from there. Okay, I'm currently packing for the beach. This bag is from Public Goods. And I have this little hat from Marshalls. And I have the acai bowl, sunglasses, mask, and hand sanitizer. What else do I need? Okay, so since I have some time before heading out, I want to go over the outfit. So this bikini is from Shein. This two-piece set is from Amazon. And then this necklace is from AliExpress. And this jewelry is from Camila, New York City. I'm wearing Ana Luisa rings, and I'm wearing a Avena Birthstone ring and the same ring as yesterday. Super pretty. And as for shoes, I'm wearing shoes from Vocosi Shoes. And then my anklet is handmade. It's super cute. That's really it. Okay guys, so we will be renting these bikes that our hotel has a complimentary thing on. So we're gonna take it and go to the beach. It's so crowded. Oh, hello. Merry Christmas from
뱃살이 너무 접혀.
Florida.
뱃살이 너무 접혀요.
Currently at 7-Eleven. I got iced coffee and we got white peach Slurpee. I haven't been at 7-Eleven in like 8 years. This is crazy. So we came back from the beach and now we're going to eat at our hotel and then get ready for Miami Beach. This is my outfit. Same jewelry basically, and I'm wearing this from Target, the skirt from Shein, this body chain's from Shein, this is from Urban, and that's really it. This outfit is so cute. Got to Miami Beach and literally the music and the vibes are completely different. Y'all hear this? Oh my gosh, so cute. Miami Beach. Sunset is so pretty. Changed into a sweater. It's pretty cold. We're just walking around. Hi, so we got to our hotel and then we actually packed because we're leaving tomorrow. It was a very short weekend in Miami, so pretty upset about it. But I don't think I've showed you guys my view at night, so I'll show you that. So it's actually not the best view, but over here we have a private lake and it's really cool. A lot of boats go by and stuff like that, and that is our pool over there. And I actually might walk around in about a few minutes because the weather is just so nice. We're walking around and it is so pretty over there, so we're gonna like walk down in that area. Just finished our walk and our hotel welcomed us with cookies and water bottles. Decided to scare my sister that was working out. Oh my god. But this is a gym at our hotel. Good morning. So today's our last day, and before we check out, we're doing some photo shoot by our pool area because the view is really nice. So this is my fit. This is a good running fit. I'm taking a PR photo for the running girls on Amazon. Super nice. And yeah, and my shoes don't really make sense. This is my last breakfast view. I'm eating this acai bowl. And it is so nice outside. You guys. It's so sad that like we never got to swim here. But whenever we came, it was either closed or super cold at night, so sad. Disgusting shit. We were taking photos, and guess who's eating my acai bowl? He can have it though. Tastes pretty bad. So this is my outfit, and we're all done shooting. Whoop whoop! Woohoo! No makeup! We are checking out, you guys. Bye. Whoop whoop! We're at the Sawgrass Mill Mall. It's a premium outlet. And we just scored some Lululemon. Yay! But we're heading to Balenciaga. Hours later, we ended up going to Saint Laurent, Sandro, and I think we also got something from Rag & Bone. We got 2 scarves. And now we're at California Pizza because we need some lunch. Now we're at California Pizza because we need to eat before our airport, and I'm gonna get the barbecue chicken pizza as always, and I ordered a mocktail, this one. 뭐 마셔볼래? Oh yes. It's too hot. At the airport, just got through the TSA pre-check, and I'm waiting for my mom. It is so hot on the last day. This is so unfair. We got Starbucks and we're just waiting for our flight. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. I hope you guys liked it. It was fun while it lasted, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! 안 갔네.
Don't say that you don't